Hey, what's up? My name's Tony Williams. I am the founder and CEO of Impact Cleaning Professionals, located right in the heart of Florida in good old Polk County. I am here cleaning cocktails, DC, live 2023. Man, for anybody that's thinking about jumping into the cleaning business, man, like, go for it. Like, stop waiting. You're gonna be thinking in the next 2 years, like, dang, I should have started that cleaning business. Then 3 years, I should have started that cleaning business. But the thing about it is, if you just go now, start taking some baby steps, start getting around the right people, getting in the right rooms, watching the right videos, grabbing the right information, and just start doing something towards it, I guarantee you in the next couple of years, you'll be really happy. I went from being super excited and quitting my job when we hit $2,800 a month, and now we're sitting just over $70,000 a month in sales, and it's just been a blessing. And it's been from just getting started. I had no clue what I was doing, but I decided to just go, and I know that you all can do the same thing. Like, jump in, find a mentor, find a coach, find a community, get started.